Hello, my name is Garrett Andrus, and for this weekly video, I was assigned oil spills, which I was kind of happy because I actually have some prior knowledge on them, as they are a common occurrence, even to this day. What is an oil spill? An oil spill is the release of a liquid petroleum hydrocarbon into the environment, especially the marine ecosystem, due to human activity, and it's a form of pollution. In a later slide, I'll explain how it's a form of pollution, but pretty common. We all know what oil is, and once it gets into the water, it's very bad, especially for the animals and plants, and it can mess up the whole ecosystem. So we gotta try to prevent the oil spills as best we can. Some of it's just accidents, obviously. Causes. There's many causes, but I picked these because they're the most common. Obviously, oil can just we didn't mean to do that. Oil can spill into rivers, bays, and oceans, which, yeah, there can be accidents involving tankers and pipelines, refineries, drilling rigs, and storage facilities. Because not everything's 100% spill proof. And another way is people making mistakes of being careless and equipment breaking down. Obviously, all oil spills are human mistakes for the most part. Because, yeah, people make mistakes, but some people are just careless. And those are just some of the causes of oil spills. How does it cause pollution? Oil cannot dissolve in water and forms a thick sludge in the water. I'm sure we've all seen oil in water before and how it just sits on the surface and yeah, it doesn't dissolve. This can suffocate fish, can get caught in the feathers of marine life, stopping them from flying, which is really sad to see. I remember after the oil spill in 2010, which I'll get to in a minute, Dawn's dish soap commercials about them using the soap to get the oil off the ducks and penguins. That was sad to see. You never want that to happen to those animals. And it can also block light from photosynthetic aquatic plants, which will kill them. They need the light in order to do all that. Notable oil spills. I did a lot of research to find recent ones, but the only recent one that's evident is one that happened in 2010, which is the only one I remember, because obviously I wasn't alive in these days. But I remember I was in 4th grade when the BP oil spill happened, and for being 10, I heard a lot about it. It was on the news for a long time, so I knew it was really, really big and really bad when it happened. And there's also, that was actually ranked second on the list that I looked up. Number 1 was the Persian Gulf War oil spill, which actually wasn't an accident. It was meant to happen, which is really tragic. And there's also the Culver River spill, which happened in 1994. That was ranked 7th on the list. And yeah, that's oil spills. Thank you.